Good morning, Noblesville, Indiana. It's Duncan Home Services here with a quick appliance tip. Stop damaging your microwave. Here's a microwave safety tip that can save you from costly repairs. Never run your microwave empty. It can cause the magnetron to overheat and burn out. And check your waveguide cover. That's the small vent on the wall. If it's greasy, burnt, or damaged, replace it right away. It protects your microwave's internal parts from food and moisture buildup. Simple habits like these can help your microwave last for years. Like and follow for more appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments and we will find an answer for you. If you're having appliance problems, just call Duncan and we'll get you fixed fast. And as always, I hope you guys have a blessed day.